Hey there, Jeff Cheney here with the Cheney Group. We're at our office here at the Star and looking at a 2022 forecast for what we expect to happen in real estate and also Dallas Cowboys. We're hoping they add another trophy, Super Bowl trophy, right over my shoulder there as part of 2022. But what we expect in the real estate market this year is another busy year. Home sales are generally expected to be the same number as we saw last year, maybe even more. Kind of the big trends to be thinking about is what we're actually seeing right now just within the last few weeks is actually continued price growth. So even homes that just sold a month ago, we're already seeing just another giant kind of leap in pricing, which is surprising, but that's going to be the trend for 2022. What's happened is we still have a large backlog of buyers from last year who were not successful in buying a home, whether they relocated here or just needed something different. They got frustrated, they left the market, they went maybe signed a lease. All of those people need to come backfill and are searching for properties right now. And the ones that are actually being listed right now are actually going at even higher premiums because a lot of those buyers frustrated just want to snap one up right now. So in most years, we tell our sellers, if you're thinking of selling this year, to wait until March, April, May, the really busy selling season. This year, not so much the case. It's some people are taking advantage of it right now. There being just absolutely no inventory. Many of our clients are saying, we'd love to sell in this market, but then where would I go? So that's a big topic that we're hearing, and so that's restricting inventory even further. So how does it get fixed? How do we come out of this with inventory? Well, a lot of developers and builders are trying to add inventory to the market, so you're going to see fields come online here in the second half of this year, so that's going to be a big part of it. And so what that does, it actually creates churn in the market. So a lot of our people that live here right now, they don't have a reason to move, right? They say, if I sell my house, I can't buy anything. So their house is never coming on the market. Once they have new reasons to move, new developments, new exciting things happening in Frisco, Prosper, Salina, then we'll start to see some of that market churn. Then they now have a house to sell, and then we start kind of replenishing some of this inventory. I don't expect that to really start happening until third or fourth quarter of this year. So we have a long runway to this market. I think inventory is continue to be really light here in 2022, still to be a very competitive situation, and we'll start continuing to see it happen in 2023. Another big trend here in this market is we continue to see huge relocations. People living states that maybe had different policies and coming to Texas. We have a lot of corporate relocations coming to Texas. So we see this market continuing to be strong here really by the next 2 to 3 years as that continues to happen. Interest rates staying low is also a big factor. Another trend we're seeing is a lot of people buying investment properties despite the high prices. So we're seeing a lot of 1031 exchanges. People aren't sure about what's going to happen with the capital gains rate, and they're seeing Texas as a safe real estate market. They're starting to put that in. More and more people looking for VRBOs, looking for second houses, and so we can help you with all of those specialty markets, whether you're thinking of a second house, having your first investment property, doing it a VRBO. All of those are emerging trends here in the market. So we're getting ready here at the Cheney Group for another busy year, and we're here to help you for all your needs.